The government is committed to accelerating the pace and expanding the scope of COVID-19 vaccination throughout the country. This could be gauged from the fact that on the occasion of 75 years of India's independence, the country's COVID-19 vaccination coverage surpassed the mark of 75 crores. Currently, India's recovery rate is over 97%. Moreover, the testing capacity across the country continues to be expanded. Till now, 54.30 crore tests have been conducted across the country. Along with this, the government is continuously ensuring vaccine availability to the states and union territories. As part of the nationwide vaccination drive, the Government of India has been supporting the states and union territories by providing them COVID vaccines free of cost. In the new phase of the universalization of COVID-19 vaccination drive, the union government will procure and supply free of cost 75% of the vaccines being produced by the vaccine manufacturers in the country to states and union territories. Further, more than 72 crore vaccine doses have been provided to states and UTs so far through the Government of India and through direct state procurement category. Also, 5.75 crore balance and unutilized COVID vaccine doses are still available with states and union territories to be administered. It is worth noting that Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia has also lauded 6 states and union territories for achieving 100% coverage of its adult population with the first dose of the vaccine against COVID-19. These states and union territories are Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu with 6.26 lakh vaccine doses, Goa with 11.83 lakh doses, Himachal Pradesh with 55.74 lakh doses, Ladakh with 1.97 lakh doses, Lakshadweep with 53,499,000 doses and Sikkim with 5.10 lakh doses. Besides, the government is continuously empowering the citizens by providing all the information related to COVID-19 vaccination. To fight the menace of fake news, several myths and fake media reports have been busted by the government from time to time. It has also been made clear that COVID vaccination programs gives priority to strengthening the country's healthcare system by protecting the professionals, health and frontline workers and the most vulnerable population groups. Also, the government has ensured that all citizens, irrespective of their income status, are entitled to free vaccination at government vaccination centers. To combat the pandemic, the central government has quickly deployed digital technologies to facilitate the planning and effective management of COVID-19. Ranging from the COVID platform's real-time vaccination monitoring to Arogya Setu's contact tracing, the government has augmented innumerable efforts to contain the spread of COVID-19. Apart from this, a focused role has been played in reducing vaccine hesitancy. Be it the story of 90 years old brave man Haji Ghulam Muhammad or Dr. Dinesh Singh Sangar, a lot of positive stories have been shared through different forums to boost the morale of people. Through these sheer endeavors of the government, it has been made possible to conduct the world's largest vaccination drive successfully. 75 crore vaccination are also special because, besides strengthening the health infrastructure in the country, it also coincides with 75 years of India's independence and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This Mahotsav is dedicated to the people of India who have been instrumental in bringing India this far in its revolutionary journey. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an embodiment of all that is progressive about India's socio-cultural, political and economic identity, and 75 crore vaccination are tremendous progress for the nation. The government has realized that the most important factor in preventing the spread of the virus locally is to empower the citizens with the right information and enabling them to take the right precautions. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.